So question number 5. You have studied in class 9, chapter 9, example number 3, that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are given here: A 4, -6, B 3, -2 and C 5, 2. Now here given vertices of a triangle. In this triangle here A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. So here point A 4, 6, then point B, point C. Okay. Now here AD is said to be a median. Line AD is said to be a median. A median divides this triangle. Into two equal areas. Okay. Now what we should do? We should verify whether these two triangles areas are equal or not. So that we should find now. So here we should find the point D coordinates. So how to find the point D coordinates? So let us here we will take D, that is x, y. To find point D coordinates, point D is the midpoint of BC. So you know that midpoint formula: x1 plus x2 whole divided by 2, y1 plus y2 whole divided by 2. Okay. Now here first you know that first number is said to be x coordinate, second number is said to be y coordinate. So here also same. So here 3 plus 5 should add, then divided by 2. Okay. So we will take directly here 3 plus 5 whole divided by 2. That means it is in the form x1 plus x2 whole divided by 2. Right? Then next point, -2 plus 2 whole divided by 2. Okay. So that is y1 plus y2 whole divided by 2. Right? Now here 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 divided by 2. Then -2 plus 2 that cancel. That means 0 by 2. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Now this is equal to 4, 0 by any number is 0. Okay. Now we got coordinates of point D. So here you can take 4, 0. Right? Now we should find the area of this triangle ABD. Okay. Next we should find the area of triangle ADC. Then both the values we have to compare. If both the values are correct, equal, then we will say a median divides a triangle ABC into two equal areas of triangles. So next point, what we should do here? Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle ABD. Area of a triangle ABD is equal to. So here first you should write down x1, y1, x2, y2. This point you should take x3, y3. Okay. Now you know that formulas I told you in the previous classes. So area of a triangle ABD is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Next, what we should do here? X into y minus y. So plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. You should write down first. Okay. Next, 1 2, 3. Then after 1 here what we should take? 2. After 2 what we will get? 3. Then again you come back to 1. Understood? Then here 2 is there. Then 3. After 3, 1. Then you come to point 2. Now this is the formula to find area of a triangle. Now substitute the values here. So 1 by 2 as it is. So what is x1? Is 4. Then y2. y2 is minus 2. Then minus y3 is 0. Then plus x2 is 3. y3 is 0. Minus y1. y1 is minus 6 is there. That means minus into minus it become plus. Then plus x3. x3 is 4. Then y1 is minus 6. Minus y2. y2 is minus 2 is there. So minus into minus it become plus. Right? Then 1 by 2. Then 4 minus 2. So minus 2 minus 0 that is equal to minus 2 only. Then plus 3. 0 plus 6 is 6. Then plus 4 minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Okay. Then 1 by 2 as it is. Then multiply 4 2s are 8. That is minus 8. Right? Then plus 3 6 are 18. Plus into minus, minus. 4 4s are 16. Okay. So 1 by 2 you should write as it is minus 8 plus 18. Minus 8 plus 18. So that answer is 10 plus 10 minus 16. This minus 16 as it is. 10 minus 16 answer is minus 6. Okay. Now reduce it to 1s are 2 3s are. So we are getting answer is minus 3. So better you can take minus 3 mod minus 3. So this one it become plus 3 square unit because area we have to measure in positive. Okay. So this is 1. Similarly, now we should take area. We should find the area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC is equal to 1 by 2. Now formula here x y minus y plus x y minus y then plus x y minus y. Then 1 2 3. Next here 1 over 2 3. After 3 again you should take 1. Next here 2 3. After 3 what will get? 1 2. Right? Then 1 by 2 as it is. Now here we are going to find this area of triangle ADC. Here x1 is there, y1 is there. Then here x3, y3. Now this point we should take it as x2, y2. x2, y2. Okay. Now don't take this part. Only we are taking ADC triangle. Okay. Now x1. What is x1 here? 4. y2. What is y2? 2. Minus y3 0 plus x2. What is x2? 5. Then y3 is 0 minus y1 is minus 6. Minus into minus it become plus. So plus x3 is 4. Then y1 is minus 6. Then minus y2 is 2. Right? Then 1 by 2, you have 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then plus 5. 0 plus 6 is 6. Then plus 4. Minus 6 both are negative. Keep minus and add. Okay, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, then we should multiply this 1 by 2 as it is. 4 2s are 8, 5 6s are 30, plus into minus, minus. Okay, then 8 4s are 32. 1 by 2, here plus 30 minus 32, that means these two you have to subtract. 32 minus 30 is minus 2, so 8 minus, okay, 2, then again 8 minus 2, that is 6, 2 1s are 2 3s are, so this is equal to 3 square unit. 3 square units. This is second. Now compare 1 and 2. Compare 1 and 2. Now we got same, that is 3 square unit. So that also we got 3 square unit. So therefore here area of a triangle ABD is equal to area of a triangle ADC is equal to 3 square units. 3 square units. That means from this we understood that a median divides a triangle into two triangles of equal areas.